Hey, welcome back everybody. In this video, I want to show you the top 5 JavaScript uh, projects for beginners. So that will be in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, not about Angular. I'm just posting it for you and just get started with Angular, not just Angular. Angular is a framework, so we need to bother about that. First, you need to concentrate on how the JavaScript projects and where will be the JavaScript projects. You can go and test the JavaScript projects in the codepen.com. So it's really cool. The top 5 project idea for beginners. First, I want to show that project is a JavaScript clock. To make a JavaScript clock is very complicated, not much as complicated, and it's very easy and simple to make. So you can just start it with this clock, and you can design with CSS and make a skeleton pod with HTML and make it sensible with using JavaScript. So it's very easy and it covers at least 20 to 25 lines of JavaScript code and 60 to 50 lines of 60 to 80 lines of CSS code and only just 5 lines of HTML code. This is very easy and not much complicated. If you wanna see for a reference, you can see on the codepen.io and it's made by another people and you can refer it and do with your own. And the next project goes to JavaScript calculator and it made very simple using tables and rows and buttons. Just I need to give a trial for you that 10 plus 10 equals to 20, and if you need to clear, just clear 10 into 2 equal to 20. Yeah, just you can need to clear, you can clear. This all be the functional using the JavaScript variables and no need to worry about CSS in JavaScript project. It's for just designing your app, so it's no need to bother about that. Now you can use the table variables also, or if you're not familiar with the table variables, you can just use as div and classes to make your JavaScript calculator. And these all the stuffs made very easy. You can inject these stuffs into this using on click variable. So they have choose that to make one variable as a query and making a query selected all and just make a ton of codes. You can decrease the code complexity to make it visible like as you. So the next project goes to JavaScript to-do list. This is the most important list that shows what's the date, what's the time, sorry, not the time, what's the date, what's the day, and which month, which year. So it all covers in the JavaScript using wait, I will show you how the date and day formats work. Yeah, here it is. My date equal to new comma date. Date refers to what date should here view to the browser. So it made very easy. First, what I need to tell what is my to-do list. To-do list is mean by what you're going to do in the day or what you're going to do in the future. So if I need to buy a car, just you can type as buy a car, and if you click enter, it will be added to your list. And another list like make, just type it as make a dish in night. So if you just enter, it will be added to your list. You can delete it, and if you click it will be formatted. So this is called as to-do list and you can use it as you want. So it's very easy and simple project used in JavaScript. Next, go to JavaScript game. It is very complex and it will think you about how to make that in JavaScript. So it's very easy. This contains much of strings and numbers and variables, so you can use this in various versions. So it's very easy and not much as complex game, but they use a graphics using CSS SAS. You can see the SAS here and it's because of the SAS. So it's with using SAS you can use many powerful ideas. So here they just written as simple JavaScript game. So I need to play the game. You can see this, here's a man or a girl is standing here, and now you can go and jump it over there and pick up coins to make finish this game. So it's a very simple game, and using JavaScript I need to fully play this game. It's very awesome and simple game. Yeah, I finished it. If you finish, it will be go to a next level, so it's auto generating for the next level. So this is your fourth project. It's need to be more complex and more conditionals operators. So this is your fourth project you need to uh, continue with JavaScript. Next, go to our quiz app. If the quiz are more popular in online to earn money as well as bitcoins, so you can use this JavaScript quiz app concept to make an awesome website using a quiz, and it asks, and you have to keep a wallet and you can store money on it. So you can just click with how many Oscars did the Titanic movie got, and click next, and click next, and click next. If you answer correctly, it will show that 3 answers correct, 0 wrong, and 3 empty answers. So it's mean by using a JavaScript, it's very easy to make unpopular games and websites and many project ideas. So these are project ideas that I show in JavaScript tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified. And if you often like more videos like this, you can go through our channel and see more videos. Okay, give me a thumbs up. See you from guys. Vicky, bye.